Hi, and welcome back to Active Grow. Today, all we're doing is a little bit of an update. So, all I'll be showing you is what I was doing in the garden, some trellising, and how, well, not how I grow these chunkers. That's not true, but I'm showing you how I'm harvesting these chunkers. So, kick back, relax, and enjoy the ride.
Nice little mater. Ooh. Oh, shit. We're all getting some color now. Some color now. Some color. Haters from the book. Back here. Bloop and bloop. And the other ones will give a little more time. A little more time. Some more herbs to harvest. Did you hear that snap, bro? 1, 2 habaneros. Oh, habaneros. Maybe this one could stay a little longer, and this one looks about done. Yep. Done 2. And the rest. Okay, maybe this one, this big one is so. Yeah, look at that sun. It's quite ripe. There's a cocoon. Huh. There was a little cocoon in there. Interesting. Let's do it properly. Here. Some sort of cocoon. Clean it out and it'll be fine. Boom. Have an arrow. And we've already eaten a good amount, like 6, 7 at least. So, yeah, pretty darn good, I would say. It's time to harvest this beauty. But also, let's check out some of the rest. This one's the new edition. Gonna grow. And some more right. Oops. Here. Small little cuke. There we go. Kablooey. Wow. Alright, I can. Nice cuke. Alright. Look at the habs. Habs. And look at this beaut. It's got a little melon. That is a watermelon. I hope I can actually grow this out in the tent. It should have.
I can already tell you, nope. I had to get it in the indoor tent.
Let's see how the mango's doing. I haven't seen a mango in a while. Huge. Oh, look at that. The mango. It's looking alright. Oh, crap. Well, pound.
And I definitely had to fix up the trellis a little bit because I really didn't anticipate how much the tomatoes are going to weigh. And so this sort of trellis is not going to be sufficient enough for the next year, obviously. And we're going to build a wooden frame and make it a nice little trellis for them to grow up. Did the same for the yellow raspberries, just them grow towards the wall, which is what I wanted to do. And now we're finally getting to harvest them chonkers. Like, Jesus, look at them chunky chonkers, bro. For real though, like that's what we call oxen heads. Like, I hope it's a little bit audible in the video, but I don't think it is.
Live.
Nope, it is not.
Meine Fresse, das ist ein Ochsenherz hier.
Das ist ein Ochsenherz, is what I was saying. This is an ox heart, a variety.
Really chonkers. Chonky den Chunk. Ja, bei denen ist es halt die Frage, ob sie das jetzt mit dem Wetter demnächst mitmachen. Yeah, that is absolutely crazy. Like, look at the weight of this freaking. What the? What? 525. 395. That's crazy. So this one could be like 305. 306. Damn, that was close.
Damn, almost 2 kilograms of tomatoes. Maters! And always remember, if I can grow, what's stopping you, man? What's stopping you?